Guys, if you don't know, I'm homeless, type 1 diabetic, living in my van in Sarasota, Florida. Today's been a pretty rough start already. The van won't start. I'm hoping that I left something on last night. I don't know, but I have 2 jobs today, and I can't make it to any of them so far, and that's my food money. So let's hope and pray that I can get this van jumped. I'll try to go on live tonight. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe. I really could use some support here, just as mental support. We have a great little chat, and that does help. We talk about how it is being homeless and whatnot, and we'd like to hear you guys your guys' experience as well. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully I can get this van started so I can eat today.